This is the tour today. We're going to do the monster bus tour through the rainforest in Costa Rica. This should be a great day. It's a beautiful day. It rained a lot today, but its sun came out. It's gorgeous. We're going to have a great day. Here we are, ready to go on our off-road adventure. What are we doing? What are we doing?
I don't know.
Monster bus.
The monster bus.
We're doing the monster bus. So we'll see what kind of video we'll get, and we'll get back to you.
So let me tell you what we're gonna do, just in case that you want to jump out of the window now. You notice in the back of the ship, on the other side, you saw those beautiful mountains that we have over there?
Yeah.
That's where we're heading. Yeah, you see, this tour is designed to give the opportunity to see Costa Rica how no other tour can. You know, every time that you take a tour, there's always two buses in the front and two buses in the back, and whatever you do will affect the rest of the people, right?
Yeah.
Well, we don't like that. We don't like that at all. So basically we design a tour that, well, no one can follow us where we go. Or find us. And we're gonna take the main road around here for a little bit, and we're gonna visit several different villages and towns and stuff. But in about 20 minutes or so, we're gonna stop for the first time, and we're gonna do this in this local shop. And it's not because we're gonna do some shopping, actually, but basically we're gonna stop there because we're gonna use the restrooms. Very, very important, because from there we're heading to the mountains. And guess what? Well, actually there's thousands of them. Yeah, but these ones are nice. So we're gonna use those. We're gonna get back, continue. We're gonna pass, as I already told you, with little villages and towns. So then we're gonna pass through this village in the middle of absolutely nowhere. And I'll tell you how the people live over there, how, you know, they're managed, their plantations, their schooling system, the way of living of the people back there. We're gonna continue, and we're gonna pass alongside of this banana plantation. And over there, I'll explain you everything about bananas. How do they grow them? How do they plant them? How do they export these things? I mean, today, you will be experts in bananas. You're not going to see bananas the same way again. Then we're going to get out of the forest. We're going to get back to the main road. And then we're going to stop again into the little store. This will be your second time for the restrooms, but I'm going to give you some time for you to do some shopping over there too. And I'm not going to spoil it for you right now, because this place is beautiful, amazing, and there's a lot of stuff that you can see there. But we're going to talk about that later on. And okay, major parts of the economy. When when people come to Costa Rica, they know us because of our bananas, perhaps, or because of our coffee. Yeah. But those are only two of the thousands of different products that we produce around here. And in some of the products that we produce, we are very, very big, or even the biggest in the world. For example, coffee. We are the 4th largest producers of coffee in the world. We are the 5th largest producers of bananas in the world. We are the 3rd largest producers of flowers in the world. We are the largest producers of pineapples. I already told you about that. But all of these products that you can eat, or you can drink, or you can grow, all of them together represents the 3rd source of income of Costa Rica. Everything that tends to be with food. So what do you think is number 1?
Tourism.
Tourism! No. Tourism is number 2, which is good, because it's a healthy industry that is growing every day, keeps me working, pretty happy about that. But food, 3. Tourism, 2. What is number 1, which is crazy? What? Fishing? No, fishing will be in the tourist part, you know? It's weird, because take a look where we are right now. What? There you go. The largest source of income of Costa Rica, it's high tech technology, which is the bridge that we have to cross. We call it the Oh My God Bridge.
Oh my God, he's right.
We're backing up. If you're a believer, I guess this is the right time.
I got it right here, man.
Take a look at the, you see all of these guys are Brahma bulls, baby cows. Take a look at these beautiful guys, huh? And that,
Look at Franny on the top of the bridge.
this one is drunk.
So cute.
Babe. You can I don't mind.
When?
Get stitched.
Alright, Jose. Sloth.
Look at it.
Sloth hunter.
Super cool.
I'll tell you what. You can open the window there.
Right by the bus, right, Jack.
Right.
Where?
Right here.
There's more.
Is that a sloth?
There's sloth?
That's wow.
Some of them are really
Si quiere uno, por 20 pesos le bajo uno.
Right now I can see one up there, resting on the branch. Since they eat leaves, their behavior is slow, like a sloth, similar way of feeding leaves. So they save energy a lot. They're hard to digest, so they slow down. It's not the same a howler monkey than a white face. A white face eats everything. They keep moving all over.
Okay, take a look at the light. See where the light is?
Yep.
See in the back of the light? The black spot? It's easier if you can see it from here. Take a look. Huh? No? We're gonna stay here. Okay. See it?
Car.
Oh, careful. Ah, reducing. Interest in traffic? Hear that? Oh. The monkeys, they were not very happy about it, huh? Actually, you know, it's funny because from time to time, sometimes we get out of the truck and there's a big troop in top of us, very close. And it's funny because everybody look up, oh, how cute. Not necessarily. These guys, they don't want us around and they are pissed. And when they're pissed, they pee you. Or worse, if you know what I mean. Oh, no. And they have very good aim. Okay, well, we're gonna start our walk from here. It's gonna be a small walk, but it's gonna be very, very difficult. And this is because we're gonna start, you know, over here. Now we're gonna go that way. But the thing is this, and this is real. We are not gonna touch anything in this forest. Nothing. There's a lot of stuff around here that it could harm you, either because it's poisonous, or because it has thorns, or because it has teeth. Let's say that I show you something, and you want to see, you know, how it's better to move the branches because you can get a better picture. Well, you don't know in that branch lives one of the most poisonous pit viper in the world. And we don't want to show you how good our hospitals are. Not even a snake. Let's see that tree, for example. Take a look at that tree in the back. You see this guy? You see all these dots? They are not dots. Those are metal sharp thorns. You barely touch that tree and you will cut yourself like you don't have idea. And you don't even have to touch something like that. There's flowers that can do you very harm. Let me show you this one over here. You see this, guys? This? Yep. Okay, this plant, we call it a spaghetti plant. And we call it like that because the obvious reasons, right? It looks like you're drying spaghetti or something. But the thing is that if you touch this plant right here, you're gonna have a rush that you cannot imagine. You will remember it forever. In Costa Rica, we don't have poison ivy, but we have some plants that makes the poison ivy looks like roses. I mean, for example, we have a fern that is actually, it looks like a palm, but it's a fern. And one leaf of that fern has the same amount of power to kill than the bite of 2 rattlesnakes. It's actually pretty handy because if you don't like somebody, you can make a nice salad out of it. Nobody's gonna find out about it.
Is that a frog?
It's not only a frog.
It's the fire.
See him jumping? Really red frog.
What type of frog is that? Very good question.
They did a nice job putting that bus together.
I was going to say, did you find another one? No.
The 2 gentlemen that run this tour ordered the chassis and the cab, and they built the bus themselves. Very, very nice job they did. I guess this is their 4th bus. They've had several of these in the past. And this is their latest and greatest. So it's a great tour. I highly recommend this. So far we've had a blast. Well, it's snack time here on the bus. We've got some beautiful Costa Rican beer. What is this? Imperial beer. It tastes pretty good. It's not bad. What did you get there? Ooh, you got exotic water. Where's it from?
Yeah.
Oh, Sam's Club. She's got exotic Sam's Club water. That's great. All the way to Costa Rica for the Sam's Club water. But no, this has been a really good tour. We've done something different this time. We've not done this before, and in the past we've done the boat and the bus and the train and all that. This has been a good tour, and we're just really getting into it. So we'll keep posting that stuff and let y'all see what we're doing.
Balsa. You know balsa wood? Very light material. And take a look in the other side. You notice those trees that it looks like it doesn't have any bark on them? That is guava. Guava jelly. Guava juice. Guava.
Look at them all digging in the mud. Where they're rooting and everything.
They are.
Cute.
What are they?
Pigs.
Oh, baby pigs.
Everywhere. Pigs everywhere.
Pigs and chicken. Who has a barbecue?
Let's have time for breakfast. Ham and eggs.
And take a look at the school right here. This is a very interesting little place because this little town around here, it has everything that we have in the big cities. You know, remember, can you imagine underground sewers here? Drinkable water from the sink? internet. Well, take a look at the big dish around here. And actually the kids around here, they have to go to school, but there's not enough schools to do that. So basically some of these guys, they have to take shifts. Some kids goes in the afternoon and some kids goes in the morning to make room for everybody. They start at 6, from 6 to noon, and from 12 to 6. The professors has to take the 2 shifts.
It's gonna be a strong room right there, I promise you.
All ages are like different schools, different ages.
No, all of the kids, they're different ages. They're from 1st to 6th grade. But the professors, they do the two shifts. I mean, maybe 1st, 2nd, and 3rd in the morning, and 4th, 5th, and 6th in the, I don't know. Another one of the oh my god bridges.
Oh my god!
Look at the kids there. This is how you're supposed to build the houses here, on stilts.
Yep.
Remember the amount of rain that I told you? But for some reason, the new generations, they build it like this. And guess what? Every year. Everybody take a look at these houses. You see, these houses used to be given for free for the government, for those who they don't have any money to have a house. But we don't do that anymore because of, some Christmas there. We don't do that anymore because the thing is that in the past we realized that when we give these houses for free, some of the people neglected them and they didn't care about it, right? Yeah, but now, actually, you notice the houses? Nicely painted with flowers and everything. Now they have to pay 40% for the house. The government gives them 60%, but at least they give them this sense of
Ownership,
pride, you know, like they say, okay, this is mine, you know, this is, and it turns beautifully. Hey everybody, take a look at this little river that we're gonna cross. See it?
Yeah.
In the rainy season, from time to time, the level of the water of this river touches the windows of this truck. And we still have to cross. Now you know why we built this thing so big. Beautiful, huh?
Is this a private road we're on?
It's a private? No, this is a public road. So everybody can use
Right
it.
through the plantation.
Yeah. You know, on the weekends, you can see a lot of people by the river around here with their cars, you know, having barbecues and overlanding, all this kind of stuff. Ah, there's some people over there right now. And you know what is the best thing to do? Grab your patio chairs and put them inside of the river, facing, you know, the current like this. And I mean, you have your own personal jacuzzi. And if you have a leash and a cooler with beers, it's perfect. Oh, the sloth. It's not there anymore, huh?
Where'd he go? He didn't go far.
I told you, yeah, oh, he's still there, but a little bit down, you see it? Like, okay, this is the
can't see.
The trunk around here in the left to the foliage in the center. It's very difficult to see it because it's against the light, but it's there. Runs the ICE, which is the Electrical Institute of Costa Rica, and they have the electricity of the whole country and internet too. But there's private companies that competes with the government, so there's competition. You know, so they own some stuff. There's always competition about it. Oh my God, bridge again.
What are like taxes like?
Taxes. Okay. I don't know what you want to know about bad things. Oh, by the way, take a look, everybody. You notice when I told you that they're having, you know, like the swimming on the river and having something to eat, picnics and stuff? That is amazing. But from time to time, you see kids jumping from here to the river. Oh, take a look at that guy with a private jacuzzi. He builds a jacuzzi for himself. Oh my God. Everywhere. Take a look at this little school, but take a look at the gym in the back. I mean, 3 times the size of the school. They're never gonna fill it. We have free Medicare system, free Medicare, you know, a lot of different things are free from those taxes. But nothing is free in this world. We pay it with these taxes, you know.
Hi, babe. What do you think so far?
It's awesome.
Are you having a good time?
I am.
I mean, this whole tour has been really, really interesting. It's been very, very good. Very cool. Definitely recommend this. This is our last stop. It's a pee break. Get a chance to go to the bathroom and pick up some souvenirs.
Hello.
Hello.
Hola, bienvenidos.
Caballito mi collar, la patriótica y pasión.